Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by downloading the official Python 3.13 installer for your operating system and architecture. Choose the 64-bit installer for most modern machines when available. Run the installer and check the box that says Add Python 3.13 to path before proceeding with the install. Select Install now for a standard setup or customize if you need specific options. Allow the installer to finish, then open a terminal or command prompt to verify the install. Type Python 3.13 version or Python version to confirm the correct version is active. After installing Python 3.13, create an isolated environment for each project to avoid dependency conflicts. Run Python 3.13 env to create a virtual environment named env in your project folder. Activate the environment using env/scripts/activate on Windows or source env/bin/activate on Mac OS and Linux. With the environment active, upgrade pip by running python mpip install upgrade pip to ensure modern package handling. Install packages inside the environment with pip install package. Begin writing code in a file named main, py or similar, and save it in your project folder. Run your script with Python 3.13 main, py from the activated virtual environment to execute the program. Use print statements for quick checks or use the built-in PDB debugger to step through code and inspect variables. Configure an ID debugger for breakpoints, watches, and call stack inspection to speed up troubleshooting. Freeze dependencies with Python 3.13 pip freeze requirements. TXT to capture exact package versions for collaboration. Share requirements. TXT and instructions so others can reproduce your environment easily.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.